Morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that can completely change our life: self improvement. Not for one day, not for one month, but until it becomes part of who we are. Secondly, many people want success. Many people want respect, confidence, happiness, and a better future. But very few are willing to improve themselves. Truth is your future is not built by luck. It is built by your habits, your mindset, and your daily actions. There is a powerful quote. Secondly, that says work on yourself so much that success becomes it. What this space is about. Any person can truly improve their life. They must first understand themselves. Self improvement does not begin with money, success, talent, or it begins with self awareness. Many people want change, but they avoid looking deeply at who they are. They focus on changing their ignoring the habits, thoughts, and behaviors inside themselves. The truth is growth starts the moment a person becomes honest. Self awareness means understanding your strength, weakness, emotions, actions, and the reason behind them. It means asking question that most people avoid. Why do I fail in certain situation? Why do I procrastinate? Why? Confidence easily. I lost confidence easily. Why do I reject negatively to criticism? These questions may feel uncomfortable, but necessary becomes improvement cannot happen without honesty. A person who refuses to recognize their flaws will continue repeating the same again and again. Many people spend years blaming others for their problems. Some blames society, their family, their teachers, or their circumstances. While challenges are real, constantly blaming others gives away personal power. Self-aware people that even if they cannot control every situation, they can control their response to it. They make responsibility for their actions instead. Responsibility is powerful because it gives people the ability to change. At the same time, it's not about hating yourself or focusing on only your weakness. It's also about recognizing your strength and potential. Every person has unique abilities, talents, and qualities that can help them success. Improvement starts with self-awareness. Many people understand themselves because they compare their journey to others. Self aware individuals understand that growth is. They focus on becoming a better version of themselves rather than trying to become someone else another. Of self-awareness is understanding emotions. Emotions influence decisions, relationship and behavior every single day. A person who control anger, many damage friendship and opportunities. Someone who cannot manage fear may never take important risk in life instead of following emotions to control them. They push, reflect, and think before reacting. This emotional wisdom, self awareness also helps people discover the habits that shape their lives. Sometimes people dream of success, continuing habits that destroy their progress. For example, a student may want excellent grades but waste hours every day on distractions. A may want confidence but constantly speak negatively about themselves until people recognize these harmful patterns. Improvement remains. Awareness creates the opportunity to replace bad habits with better ones. In today's world, many people are distracted by social media and the pressure to appear perfect. Because of this, they really spend time reflection on themselves, but growth often happens in quiet moments of reflection, reading, journaling, praying, meditating, or simply spending time or alone with you understand yourself more clarity. When people understand themselves deeply, they make better decisions and live with greater. In the end, self-awareness is the foundation of all personal growth. A mirror that shows people who they truly are and who they can become. Improvement is temporary and superficial, but with self awareness, a person gains clarity and the power to transform their life from the inside out. Success is often misunderstood. Many people think successful individuals achieve because of one big opportunity, one lucky moment, or one extraordinary talent. However, the reality is very different. Most are the result of small daily habits repeated constantly over time. Greatness is not built in a single day, it is built day by day, choose and habit by habit. Small habits may seem unimportant at first. Waking up early, reading a few pages of a book for 30 minutes, practicing a skill, or organizing your day by day may not look life changing in the moment, but when these actions are repeatedly small positive habits into success, discipline, and confidence. The problem is that many people underestimate the power of consistency. They want immediately results, become discouraged when they do not see progress quickly. A student may study for 2 days and accept top grades. Someone may go to the gym for week and expect a perfect body. But real growth does not happen instantly. It's slow, silent, and gradual. The people who succeed are those who continue, even when progress is not immediately visible. Daily habits identify every action we repeat sends a message to ourselves about who we are becoming. When someone reads every day, they become more. Someone practice discipline daily, they become mentally stronger. When someone chooses positivity even during difficult time, develop emotional strength. Over time, these habits stop feeling like effort and become part of person's character. On the other hand, negative habits can slowly destroy potential, may seem harmless in small amounts, but repeated daily they damage a person's future. Just as positive habits build success, negative habits build failure. The difference successful and unsuccessful people is often found in what they constantly do every day. One of the most important lessons about habit is small daily habits create big results. Small improvements matter. You do not need to change your entire life overnight. Trying to become perfect instantly usually leads to frustration. Instead, focus on becoming just a little better each day. Even a 1% improvement every day can create massive over time. Small progress may not feel existing, but it creates lasting change. Discipline plays a major in maintaining good habits. There will be days when motivation disappears. People feel tired, distracted, or discouraged during those moments. Habits become more important than emotions. Successful people do not rely on motivation. They rely on routine and consistency. They continue their positive habits even when they do not feel like it because they understand every small action contributes to a larger goal. Another powerful thing about daily habits is that they create when constantly keep promises to themselves, they begin to trust themselves more. A person who wakes up early every day, studies regularly, or works hard toward their goals develops self-respect. Confidence does not come only from words or praise. It comes from evidence created by constant action. In the end, life is shaped not only by big decision but also by small daily choices. Every habit is like a vote for the person who wants to become. The little things people do every day eventually determine their future. Therefore, never underestimate the power of small habits. They may seem invisible today, but over time they create extraordinary results that can completely transform a person's life. Many people believe that motivation is the key to success. They wait for the perfect moment